Well, we're back today with the Sega TeraDrive power supply from the Model 3, and we've gone ahead and replaced IC2 in the front here, whatever this one is here, next to him, Q2, which is down in there. Those two are D's. So I've replaced a Q2 and IC2, and right up in the corner there, just under the cabling, is a Q3. So we're going to see what that does. Hopefully something will happen. Q1 is this big guy here. IC1 is this blue thing here, which we don't know much about because it's magical in a funny package. There it is. All the capacitors are new. It didn't catch fire when I turned it on last time, so that was good. Hopefully a similar thing will, or rather won't, happen this time. So while the voltages did seem to improve, they weren't perfect. So we're going to go ahead and try and make them perfect so the damn thing turns on properly. I believe it was the 5 volt rail that was having trouble. The 11 volt? 12 volt? The fact that I'm calling it the 11 volt was just, it was a lot better than it was. And I believe the 5 volt had also improved, but not as much as I was hoping for. Plus it didn't actually work, so... Oh, someone's having a good rev of their motor car today. Must be a good day to be out at the show. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this back in one piece and pop it into the Model 3 and turn it on. See if we can set something on fire today.
After years of testing, we gave up. And we decided that the Meanwell was the best option. So farewell, TeraDrive. It was nice knowing you. Kind regards, Nix McRetro.